Vieux Carre, simple. 3/4 ounce whiskey, 3/4 ounce cognac, 3/4 ounce sweet vermouth, a little bit of a Drambuie, about a teaspoon or 1/3 of an ounce, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Okay, let's get this party started. Party time. Get some B-roll of stuff, or just, you know. I always like getting these at the I always like getting these when I go to restaurants because a lot of times they have 8 barrel-aged ones. But a Vieux Carre is not something everybody knows how to do. You get that sausage. Ooh, I'm excited. Smells good. It's almost like you can't really smell it that well. Maybe my nose is broken. Ooh, my taste buds aren't broken though. Man, this is good. Wow, that is great. I like this. A Vieux Carre with a Drambuie. That's the first time we actually did something with Drambuie that was not a rusty nail, because it's a unique liquor. I don't really know what to do with it. But this is fantastic. So if you guys want to do a Vieux Carre, go for it. Round 2.